welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be very interesting, guys. We're going to tell you the top 10 pitfalls that each and every student when enters university college has to go through and how you can overcome them. So let's get straight into the video. The first one is about doing hard work rather than doing smart work. So a lot of students still are in the high school mentality where they keep doing the hard work, they keep doing what they're told to do rather than functioning in a way that makes them do the work in a smarter way, in a more efficient way, and also saves you a lot of time. It's very easy to keep slogging behind something rather than finding out a quick solution to it which is more efficient. So make sure you find solutions to your problems and you study and work around it in a smarter way which is more efficient, which helps you save a lot of time so that you can do many different things as well. The next thing is carried over mentality. So again, like I said, a lot of students are still in their high school mood where they think there are going to be people who are going to be behind them when it comes to studies. There's no one who's going to be the one who's going to take a responsibility. It's all you. Everything has to be done by yourself. Now, a lot of students don't have a habit of being on their own. The lack of independence is what leads to all the problems. When you enter university, it's a fact that you're going to be all by yourself. So make sure you take decisions, make sure you upgrade yourself into a person who's responsible and also takes decisions for himself and for everything that's going around him or her. The next thing is about distractions. So once you enter university, you are like a free bird, of course. There are a lot of things that might distract you from what your goal is. Your goal might be becoming the best sports person. In that case, sports is not a distraction at all. But if your goal is becoming something in the degree you're going into or the course you're doing, it's very difficult to get away from things like friends, parties, bad habits, a lot of drama and a lot of school activities as well which are going on around you. This might be a very good thing for you to do. You might feel very happy while doing it, but eventually it's taking you away from the dream you have. So make sure you stay away from all these distractions, or even if you're engaging into them, make sure you have a limit set for yourself. The next thing is the lack of self-care, guys. So a lot of people avoid self-care. Absolutely, they do not take out time for themselves, they do not go on solo trips, they do not walk around, just think, sit down and contemplate on what they're doing. This is a very bad thing to do, guys. Make sure you take out time for yourself. Self-care is very important. Personal hygiene, personal health, mental health, all of these things are very crucial towards your future. So make sure you take out time for them and make sure you dedicate good enough energy in order to make sure that these things are absolutely on point. The fifth thing is about stabbing classes. A lot of students, when they get this freedom, avoid going to classes. But guys, mind you, every time you miss a class, you're building a habit of missing classes. And once you build this habit, it's very difficult to change because it's very pleasurable. Every time you miss one class, it's taking you further down the drain because every time you do that, you're stabbing yourself. You're missing out on chances to learn more and get a lot of good piece of information which the class had to offer. Make sure you're doing it because of very important reasons which are taking you towards your goal and not away from your goal. The next thing a lot of students do is become a lone ranger. Basically, what they do is go away from the crowd and do everything on their own. While in university, it's very important to network a lot. It's very important to make good long-term connections, whether that be friends or anything related to your business or the kind of profession you're working into. Having people who are like-minded or even people who really care about you is a very important thing to have, because these people are going to be a support group and also someone who are going to help you grow in your career. So make sure you don't be on your own. Find friends, find people, find mentors and be in the guidance and become successful eventually with the help of these people only. Another mistake a lot of students make is not having a budget. Since when you were in high school, your parents were regulating all your money. Now you're in university, now you have to take care of your own personal finances. You're given a budget, but if you don't have this budget fixed and allocated to a certain number of things like your accommodation, food, travel and whatnot, you might overspend on something and then realize that you don't have money to spend on other things. This is a very bad position to be in. Imagine having no money to spend on travel, but you want to go to a place which is very important to you since all of your friends are going there. A very bad place to be in, right? So make sure you also have a good budget plan with another budget which is called an emergency budget in order to plan things and accommodate the budget into things which you want to do really important. The next very common mistake a lot of students do is that they involve themselves in a lot of activities. So if you get into university, getting involved into sports, college committees, projects, individual internships and whatnot. If you're capable enough to manage your time in a way that you can address all of these in equal amount of energy with very efficient manner, then please go ahead. But involving yourself in very specific things, like 2 or 3 very important things to you, can be the very good way to go, because that will not only help you do those things more efficiently, but it will also reduce the kind of pressure and tension you have behind these things. So make sure you involve yourselves in things which are very, very important to you, mean something to you, so that you can appreciate it and you can work towards them in a very efficient manner. And last but not the least, guys, having no timetable is the worst thing that any student can do. If you have a certain day planned for yourself as to what you're going to do at what time, this not just makes you look forward to something throughout the day, but also makes you know that these are the number of tasks that you can get done within the entire day. This motivates you, this keeps you on track, and this also helps you schedule all of your work together in order to do it in a much efficient way. So guys, these were the 10 points which each and every student has to face when he goes into university from high school. So if you are facing any of them, make sure you do the things told in this video so that you avoid doing all of that. These points have to be avoided in order to have a really, really enriching career and a very good student life as well. So make sure you do that. If you also want to have a one-on-one session with any of our advisors and you want to know more about such things, you can contact our advisors at CATREAMS with the help of the description box given below. Also, if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel because we'll be coming up with such videos time and time again. Last but not the least, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.